Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourselves and eating healthy foods only. Alright, so welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the CAP. And in today's class, I will tell you how you can make capital and small cursive P. So let's start our today's class. Okay, so now this is small cursive P and this is capital cursive P. Okay, so please take out the pencils everyone and trace these dotted lines. First you will go up, make a curve, come down, go up and come out. Okay, now this is capital cursive P. We will start from here, down, up and make a loop like this. Okay. Now P as in pear. Pear is a fruit in green in color. Okay. Now let's join these dotted lines. Very good. You can all do it. Now we will do without dotted lines. Very nice. Now we will make this capital cursive P. Okay. Start from here, up and make a loop. Very good. Now we will do without dotted lines like this. Very nice. Good work. Now these two lines you will do at your homes, okay? Now next is our activity. Match the first half picture of a thing to make the second half of same thing and make them complete. These are first half and these are second half. We have to match them. Let's see. First one is the pizza because it starts from letter P. P as in pizza. So second half is over here. We will match like this. Next is P as in pumpkin. We will match the second half pumpkin. Okay. Next is P as in parrot. Parrot is the last one. Next, P as in pan, in which your mother cooks food for you. And last one is P as in panda. It will go up like this. Alright, we have done this activity. Okay, that's it for today's class. We have done how to make capital and small P. I hope you will not forget it and you will practice it at your home. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.